will place the camera button and the flashlight button on your lock screen. Tap along on your lock screen. Choose Customize. Select the lock screen on the left. Now you see all the buttons and widgets that you can change on your lock screen. With a tap to the minus sign next to the flashlight symbol, you remove the flashlight symbol and a new menu opens. iOS 18 will now show you all the possible buttons that you can place instead of the flashlight. Choose your preferred button, for example the dark mode in this case, and the dark mode button will be placed on your lock screen. Now do the same with the camera button. Take a look to nearmetstarproductions.eu to get more information about our IT services and all our other projects.